அறிவாற்றலுடன் கூடிய இளம் சிந்தனையாளர்களை ஒன்றிணைத்து கருத்துக்களை பகிர்ந்து புதிய சவால்களை எதிர்கொள்ளும் மேடையாக திகழ்கிறது. இன்று ஆரம்பமாகும் ஜிஃபோரியா 2025 தேசிய மட்ட கருத்தரங்கத்திற்கு உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். 2 நாட்கள் அறிவும் போட்டியும் புதுமையும் நிரம்பிய இந்த விழாவை இறைவனின் அருளுடன் தொடங்குவோம். அனைவரும் எழுந்து நிற்குமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். துவக்க பாடலை வரவேற்போம். அறிவு மனிதனை உயர்த்தும், இருள் தொலைத்திடும் மொழி போல அறிவு மனிதனை உயர்த்தும் என பழமொழி சொல்வது போல இன்றைய விளக்கேற்றம் நம் சிந்தனையை ஒளியூட்டட்டும். இந்த புண்ணிய தருணத்தில் விளக்கேற்றத்திற்காக எங்கள் மாண்புமிகு விருந்தினர்களை அன்புடன் மேலே கலைக்கிறேன்.
of the Tamil working professions
விளக்கேற்றம் நம் அறிவு பயணத்தின் தெய்வீக தொடக்கம். அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு என திருவள்ளுவர் சொன்னது போல இந்நாளின் ஒளி அறிவின் ஒளியாக பிரகாசிக்கட்டும். உங்கள் சிந்தனை காற்றைப் போல சுதந்திரமானது, உங்கள் கனவு மழை போல புதுப்பிப்பானது. உயர்ந்து பறப்பதே இளமைக்கு பொருள், உயர்ந்து பறப்பதே இளமைக்கு பொருள் என்று பாரதியார் பாடியது போல் இந்த 2 நாட்கள் உங்கள் எண்ணங்களை உயரத்தில் பறக்க வைக்கும் மேடையாக இம்மேடை அமையட்டும். தீப்பொறி போல ஜொலிக்கும் உங்கள் திறமை உலகிற்கு புதிய பாதைகளை தரட்டும். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Spirit of our symposium, please enjoy a graceful classical welcome dance performed by Jakampati Ketana, Jayaprabha, Danyashree, Pulivarthi Akshay Chowdhury.
साधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विनाशि लोकरक्षकं पुराकरातमूलकं सदा साधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विनाशि लोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नमाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नमाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम्
Please applaud. They were trained none other by our fellow classmate Yashaswini, who was a classical dancer too.
on today's event and on our vibrant department club Techne. Our department CSE AAML stands as one of the most dynamic wings of Whale Tech High Tech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Shakuntala Engineering College, with a curriculum that blends strong fundamentals with future-ready technologies. Our department nurtures innovators who explores the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and intelligent systems. Our faculty and students consistently strive to bridge theory with practice, whether through research, industry, partnership, or hands-on projects, ensuring that learning here is never confined to the classroom. At the heart of these efforts beats the Techne Club, the official innovation forum of our department. Techne aims to be a beacon of knowledge, a sanctuary of creativity, where young minds experiment fearlessly with robotics, AI, blockchain, and cyber security, and more. Its mission is to foster curiosity, interdisciplinary learning, and innovation, helping every member push the boundaries of what is technologically possible. Its vision is to chart a course towards a future where the light of understanding shines brightly and where the legacy of Techne continues to inspire generations to come. True to the spirit, the club has successfully organized alumni meets that reconnect our graduates with current students, as well as guest lectures and workshops on cutting-edge topics like machine learning and emerging tech domains. Each event has not only enriched our knowledge, but also built lasting industry connections. This year, Symposium carries that legacy forward. With even greater excitement, we are delighted to share that registrations have poured in with remarkable numbers, including enthusiastic participants from colleges across the state and beyond, covering a total of 500 participations on day one and a total of 400 participation and day two. And that is not the end. We are even on account for day two because it's going to happen tomorrow. The overwhelming response reflects the growing reputation of our department and of Techne, a true hub of innovation. From technical contest to creative showcases, every event has been planned to ignite curiosity, encourage collaboration, and reward excellence. As we embark on these 2 days of knowledge, sharing, and friendly competition, let us remember that every idea shared, every connection made, and every challenge embraced brings us closer to the future of Techne envisions, a future where every curiosity lights the way and innovation know no bounds. Thank you all for being a part of this celebration of technology, talent, and teamwork. Thank you, everyone.
Respected Principal Sir, to felicitate the guests with a memento.
Honorable Founder, President and Chairman, Colonel Professor Velshri Dr. R. Rangarajan, Honorable Madam, Founders, President and Vice Chairman, Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan, our respected Chairperson and Managing Trustee, Dr. Mrs. Rangarajan Mahalakshmi Kishore, our respected Madam, Trustee Madam, Ms. Yaskanda Kishore Kumar Bail, Assistant Director, our today's chief guest, Mr. Kadirvel Mariyappan, Director, Cloud Engineering Practice, Relevance Technology Services India Private Limited. Give a big round of applause. நல்ல சத்தமா எனர்ஜி இல்ல தூங்குறீங்களா என்னன்னு தெரியல. Our beloved Dean Academics, Professor Dr. V.R. Ravi, our Dean Training and Placement, Professor Dr. Suresh, our AML Head, Dr. Manoj, First Year Head, Science and Humanities, Mr. Pradeep Katta, Mechanical Engineering Head, Dr. Panichami, faculty members of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, student coordinators of this Zephyria, first years and second year final years of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, external participants from other institutions. Good afternoon. This is the 10th, 12th class of it. Yeah, good afternoon all of you. I am very proud and happy to see today this could be the 8th event in series of symposiums. This is the 8th symposium for the last 40 days. One more civil awaiting event. So with that engineering symposium gets over, beyond that one MBA symposium is there. So that is on October 25th. So series of symposiums. We are tired, really tired in floating these symposiums every day. Yesterday biotech got over, today is AML, day 1 and tomorrow day 2. So this is how we are running the events in the campus. Really great. Zephyria, the name is very different. AML is also very different program, so name is also coined accordingly. Zephyria, Zephy, something our HOD says positive energy, always beyond imagination, thinking something, coming out with some innovation, good things to happen and coming out with a lot of new algorithms to automate and to regulate systems. Something we say artificial intelligence, expert systems, data science, all together, combining together, you come with a mix so that you build something so that really automates and does some job. So artificial intelligence and machine learning is something it's a great, and the students of this AML is especially fortunate. So to learn technologies and to explore, I think you may be like yesterday one guest was saying that it is on the top roof, the technology, the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. So it's really great to see and overwhelming response, the participants. I thought this program we started 3-4 years before. I think now the students are in final year, not even one batch passed out. But when we look event to event, I used to say the last event, computer science, where they crossed nearing about 400 plus. So the same thing which is happening for AML also crossing 400 plus, the participants. So you see that, so AML is beating and exceptionally doing well. So I appreciate the effort of the department, the head and the faculty members, students, student coordinators, who is taking charge of everything and making it happen things around the clock. Really great. And with the welcome dance, with the multimedia presentation, something very new. I I was seeing the multimedia presentation, the Jiffy, the so-called Jiffy, traveling from one point to the other point, and nicely correlating the events, starting from the beginning and then ending with an event, the Jiffy. It is nicely, done. The multimedia presentation really exciting. Really, you can give a big round of applause to the multimedia presentation team. By hearing that Jeffy, I get a smile, really wonderful, really great. So thank you, day one and day two, maybe with the dance, so you can relax your minds tomorrow. So thank you, thanks for the opportunity, wish you good luck.
Encouragement. Now comes the most awaited moment, the announcement of a technical event. The events, halls and timings, participants, please note carefully. Workshop L203, second floor, paper presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, okay. Thanks for the opportunity and, greetings to the founders, chairman, the respected principal and the dignitaries. Thank you for this opportunity, and I was talking to Principal Sir and others today morning, and I want to say one thing in Tamil, maybe it's a old story, will not fit my age also, but I would like to say that to everyone. ஒரு வைரமாக இருக்கட்டும், ஒரு கல்லாக இருக்கட்டும், அதை பட்ட தீட்டுற செதுக்கிற அந்த சிற்பிட்டையும் அந்த ஆசாரிட்டையும் தான் அந்த இது இருக்குது. யூ ஆர் இன் த பெஸ்ட் ஃபைன் பிளேஸ் இன் திஸ், அண்ட் ஐ ஹவ் பீன் டு மெனி யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ், and what's happening here is not happening everywhere. So I feel and I believe you all are lucky to be here, and that video is really awesome and mind-blowing. I thought of speaking some Gen AI, and other things, but after seeing the video, I thought maybe when I see my masters, I should stay calm, and I see a lot of brilliance from you. So keep rocking. I think you're following all upcoming, trending, emerging technologies. So catch up with them and keep up the fire. Thank you, everyone.
It's a great event that is going to be connected today and continuing to the day 2 as next of the technical events and continued by the non-technical events. Let's give a round of applause for the event, everyone. Once again, the events, halls and timings. Participants, please note carefully. Workshop L203, second floor, paper presentation. We're giving out 3 labs, K202, K204 and Saravana Auditorium, all on the second floor. Project Expo, Thomas Alva Edison Hall on the first floor, and Inspire L201 on second floor, Syntax Showdown F204 on second floor lab. Once again, participants,